This is a fit for a 2015 through 2018 and likely beyond GMC Yukon with factory installed flush side rails which have fixed point connections on the inner edges. We've outfitted this vehicle with the Thule AeroBlade Edge base roof rack system. The system is using the AeroBlade load bars with integrated feet. This is part number 7604. The usable bar space between the feet is 41¼ inches. It connects to the flush side rails using Fit Kit number 4041. Here we have the crossbars positioned at 27½ inches from front to rear, center to center. There is an additional fixed point connections towards the rear of the flush side rails, which gives a 45½ inch crossbar spacing. This rear bar is also the 7604 silver, and it too has 41¼ inches between the feet. Maximum weight carrying capacity is 165 pounds evenly distributed. There is no interference with the full operation of the sunroof. This product and the full line of Thule products are available at rackoutfitters.com. Visit our site for complete details, our pricing, and our promotions.